So we're going to the doctor. Oh, wait, no, Quincy. To come downstairs, and Liam is fussy, and it's super duper cold. So cold outside. You want to sleep? Come, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Ayo. Say hi, Ayo. Babe, what kind of music is this? So Liam and I are in the car. You want to get out? Yes? No? And it's so cold. Well, it's not. Yeah, it's cold out. It snowed last night. So it's cold. What is that over there? The garbage place? Sanitation? Where do you keep the sanitation trucks? I guess. Think so. Yeah. What did he leave on? Did he turn the air on? Is this man mad or what? Let me see. What's wrong, baby? I don't think it's the air. I don't know what it is. These people drive so crazy. Like, how could you drive like that on a road like this? Baby, why are you taking everything out of my bag? Okay, here. Look, say hi. Hi. My name is Liam. What's your name? I want to play with you. Okay, there you go. Oh no. Don't throw Teddy on the ground. I'm not gonna pick him up and give him to you. Okay? Be nice to him. Liam don't want to go into the cart, and look at him. I can't push this big heavy cart. He's gonna have to go in there. Who does Liam think he is to be one to be carried all around this store? Bad Brook. That's what he is. What about that one? Mott's apple juice? That? No? Okay, and they got him in.
2, right? Because you have 1 there, and then the second one
Yeah. Stop it. Ayo.
Yeah.
Quincy went in Target and feeding Ayo. I didn't feel like going in Target, so we're sitting in the car. Too much of a hassle. It's cold and Liam can't bother. So we're in the car and I'm feeding him because I'm ever hungry, right? Baby. Oh, he's still sleepy. Say mama.
Belly button.
You see him? You see him?
That's what back to.
She said the 3rd aisle.
Safety gate.
Oh, over here.
Oh, these are the edges one, you see?
That's what I was telling you. It's for the TV stand.
Okay, yeah, see them here?
So we're getting these locks for the cupboard because you guys know Liam goes in there and take out all the pots and take out everything. So yeah.
Okay. You guys are really gonna get on my nerves right now. So, like, seriously, you guys have to come here to get this because of me?
Yeah, you can't go in there anymore.
Yes, I am. I know what you're saying. Yeah, like, Dad, I'm gonna get you. Don't worry. So, which one?
What is this one?
Is this it?
This for the cupboard, the stove too?
Look at it, see? Well, we should just get this one.
We don't remember how the ones we have at home look.
Yeah, it doesn't, it's gonna lock. See, you see, this is so long as lock the top, it's gonna go through that thing.
No, the ones we have at home is not like a circle thing.
It doesn't have to be circle.
Oh, really?
It's,
oh, you could go.
See,
oh.
that's it. That's what I'm feeling like. See?
Okay. It looked like 3. No.
5 apartments. About
5 pieces?
Yeah, 5 pieces inside.
Okay, that one is good, right?
Hmm?
Because we only need it for like 2 parts.
3.
I think we need it for the one in the bathroom too, no?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Because I'd be seeing him going in there. Well, if I'm in there. And I can't let him get into those chemicals. You're not gonna get the thing for the edge, no?
Let me see.
Maybe not really. Why are these ones